In a world where everything was gray and dull, lived a humble spider named Willow, so small. She spun a web, shimmering in the moon's soft glow. A marvel of nature, a sight quite uncommon. One day, a moth, named Zephyr, flew by, wondering what the glistening web might be. Zephyr fluttered near, his curiosity high. He saw his reflection, a sight that made him sigh. "What a beautiful creation!" he exclaimed with glee. "I wish I could weave such a web as this. I'd soar above the world, a sight to see. A glistening spectacle, a dance in the breeze." Willow, hearing Zephyr's wish, felt a twinge. "My dear friend," she said, "your wish might bring a sting. For beauty often comes at a price unseen. A price that can weigh heavy on the heart, like a dream. My web is not just for show, it's a lifeline for me. A home, a shelter, a place of solace to be. My web may not make you fly, but it can help you see that sometimes less is more, and that's the key." Zephyr, pondering Willow's words, felt a change. A change in his heart, a new sense of range. He found that being himself was more than enough, and that true beauty lay in his own almighty puff. From then on, Zephyr soared, not bound by a web, but carrying within him a lesson to spread. That beauty isn't just about shine and gloss. It's about love, kindness, and the heart's true toss. The moral of the tale, in every land, is to cherish what you have and never make a stand. For true beauty lies within, not something you weave, but the kindness you share and the love you believe.